All right, guys, here's a song for you to play on Halloween, the Monster Mash. Let's take a listen. The Monster Mash. The Monster Mash. All right, guys. So I can't really do the Dracula voice. I can try the Monster Mash. That's my best shot. Whatever happened to the Transylvania twist? Okay, all right. We're going to leave this in. All right, let's keep going. Okay, so here's the part one. I'm Shawn of webpianoteacher.com, where we like to have fun and play music at the same time. So we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to learn to play piano online. You can do it. You just have to choose the right lessons, and you have to know how to practice. You have to choose stuff that you like, and hopefully you like this song. This is a fun one to do for Halloween, okay? If you are a member of the website, you can download my sheet here. That'll help you. And of course, the sheet is a lot bigger than I have in this free part one. But we do all the lessons on there, along with many other lessons on the site that you will probably enjoy. Okay, so as we get to this lesson, we do the intro and then the chorus as well. I'm going to show you what the piano is actually playing. Then we're going to actually add a little bit more in the part 2 and 3, just have you play that Monster Mash part, which kind of helps the arrangement out. Okay, so as we get to the board, the drums start, and the piano comes in. That's what we're going to start with right now. And if you can play this first part on the video screen, you can do the whole thing. Okay, so that's how you can judge if you can do it or not. If you can play this first part, you'll be able to do the rest of it for sure. All right, so the left hand has this boom, boom, which is a common bass line, right? Boom, root and fifth. So we're just going to start on a G. Here's middle C. Here's the next C down. Here's the G here. Now, if you're a very beginner and you're looking at this, trying to figure it out, you might want to try my easy piano lesson series on the website. That starts at ground zero. So that'll help you out if you are a true beginner, or if you just need a little crash course in how to read my method, what I'm up to. All right, so G is our first note, then we'll go down to D, then we'll come back up, then back down to D. Okay, so just get used to doing that. I'm using fingers 2 and finger 5, okay? Now the right hand gives a little bounce to it. I would not pedal this, especially when you're learning it in the beginning, because it just doesn't need pedal. Loses its bounciness if you put too much pedal. So we'll start with the G chord, G, B, D. I'm going to use fingers 1, 2, 4. And the reason I put my 4th finger on the D is so that I can save my 5th finger for the E, okay? So 1, 2, 4 on G, B, D. Here's middle C. I'm up a little bit from that. So I play that. Then all I do is I move my top note to an E with my 5th finger. Now whenever you have a bunch of chords in a row, it always helps to notice which notes stay the same. And you see the B and G stay. So notice that you don't have to move these 2 fingers. They're your anchor. They stay there. E, then you just have GB, just those 2 alone. And then back to the GBD with the 4th finger. Okay, so bum, 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 bum. So I put my hands together, left, right, together, right, right. Then I'm back in. Let's do that rhythm again. The rhythm is very important. And go, left, right, together, right, right. Then you go ahead and play that G on the next measure. That'll help you. Bum, 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 bum. Okay? So when we're learn, play, and share is our motto here. When you're in the learning process, which is what we're doing right now, make sure you take a little bit, you repeat that over and over till you have it, okay? And then you take another little bit, repeat that over and over till you have it, and then you put those 2 things together. You can repeat that process the rest of your life on anything you're learning, whether it's a simple thing or a complicated thing. It's a great way to practice, okay? So back to the board, we learn the first measure. And that may take you a whole day. All right, I'm going to move on so that we get finished with this lesson. But you may only get this far, and that's fine. In your first sitting, then when you come back, you can try the next part. great thing is the second measure is a lot like the first one, okay? Look at the left hand, no difference, G, D. All right, that's easy enough. But the right hand, G, B, and then we go to the whole chord. Still the same fingerings, 1, 2, 4, back to the G, B, and then G, B, E, fifth finger, and then G, B, D, and then G, B. And I listened to the recording, and I got this as close to I could as the original. Okay, so this is actually what's being played in the song that you know and love. Here we go. No, starting right here. 1, 2, and again 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Notice the rhythm on this one is a little bit easier because it doesn't stop. You don't have a stop anywhere. You just keep going. Dun, 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 dun. Now I'm ready to put them together. I learned this part. Now I'm going to try to put them together. And 1, 2. Again, 1. There we go. Those of you advanced players can vamp that left hand a little bit. Boom, 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 boom. Which just means playing the note you're already on, just playing a little more than I have written. Your advance. Okay? All right, so there's our part 1 lesson. We do finish it on the website all the way. It's a lot of fun to play because everyone will have it memorized, and you can even do the creepy Dracula voice if you want to when you play it. It's really neat and fun for the kids. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you on webpianoteacher.com.